Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Before I go any further, guys, go ahead and hit that like button, that share button, and that subscribe button. Today, I will be showcasing the solar irrigation system by RainPoint. This is a very great system for those who do a lot of indoor gardening. This is what it looks like. I will be showcasing exactly how it works and how it will be beneficial to you indoor gardeners, especially those in the colder climates. This system comes complete with everything that you will need in order to set it up. This is an indoor growing system only, designed for the indoor. So it comes with everything that you would need in order to set it up. I just took it out the box, guys. So you'll unwrap it with me. So this is basically the solar panel. If you have it close to a window so that it can get the sunlight and recharge the battery that we have at the bottom. We have battery right here. We have the preset buttons on the side, and we have the connectors for the hoses to go in and out. One for the filter for the water and one for the hoses for the plants. We have this nice hook on the back so that you can hook it up to your water reservoir. So it just kind of hangs on the water reservoir, and I'll show you guys that. We have the tubing. It comes with the tubing. It comes with the outlets and the drip irrigation to go directly into the soil. We have the T's so that you can set up your irrigation system exactly the way that you want. And this is the filter for the water. We also have the USB connectors. All right, guys, before we get started, you must hook up the RainPoint Mini Box Hub. It's really simple to do. You need 2.4 gigahertz on your internet. It will not work on a setting higher than that. So you must be on a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi setting. You simply hold down this button right here for 5 seconds. You must download the GAR app on your phone. You hold this button down for 5 seconds and it will automatically pair to the app that you have on your phone. From that point on, you're able to now hook up the solar power. There is a battery right here at the bottom. You want to take this out. Put it back in. There's a plastic wrapping right there. You want to take that out. Put it back in. The light will start flashing red. Then you also connect that to the GAR hub. But if the light doesn't flash red, or you don't have the time to hit the buttons on your phone in order for it to flash red or to connect at that time, you simply come to the side and you hold down the set button for 5 seconds. After holding down the button for 5 seconds, this will connect to the app automatically. All you have to do is add it to the GAR app, which is a part of this system. You must download the GAR app on your phone in order to operate this system. All right, so you have a user manual for the RainPoint Mini Hub, and you also have a manual for the solar powered device that goes onto the reservoir. So both of these manuals will be with your product. Very simple, very easy read, and you guys could knock this out. So from there, you want to connect your hoses, and I will demonstrate that right now. So that is step one. Dropping the filter into the water container. Guys, so this is what the complete setup would look like. And I have this here for demonstration purposes only. So these would be your 2 flower pots, and you would basically have these in the soil. They would go directly into the soil, and you would get your water from that source right there. So I will give you a quick demonstration. Very easy setup. And the battery pack also comes with a charger. In case you don't have solar, you can recharge the battery. But this is the complete setup. So the filter, the water filter goes into the end. And then your tubes going out will go into your plants. You have a 3-year warranty. You have a 3-year warranty with RainPoint. And like I said, guys, it comes with all the manuals. It comes with everything that you need besides the water reservoir. You'll have to get your own water reservoir. Very easy setup. You have the mini hub, which you must set up first. Then you set up the solar powered battery hub. You set up your hoses and you're good to go. I will come back and show you guys a demonstration. All right, guys, so if you enjoyed this demonstration of the solar irrigation system, go ahead and drop a comment down below. There's also a link below to RainPoint so that you guys can go ahead and purchase this item with my discount code. All right, so this particular system is gonna be gifted to one of my members, and this is a member-only giveaway. So if you are a member and you are interested in this product, just go ahead and drop me a comment down below. And as soon as I get enough people to express their interest in this, I'm gonna have a raffle and I will send this system out to you. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Peace.